So number 32. Now this problem is very easy. When 20 children in a classroom line up, pets insist on being somewhere ahead of them. If pets demand is to be satisfied, how many ways? Okay, so basically you have 20 factorial ways to arrange 20 people, right? But so one condition is pets. Is this I call it P and L. So P is ahead of L. This is one situation. Another situation is L is ahead of P. And basically these two situations are mutually inclusive. So if L is ahead of P, then P is definitely not ahead of L, and vice versa. So basically you have two kind of mutually inclusive events, and they are symmetry. So the answer is just 20 factorial divided by 2. So the answer is D. The answer is D. That's it.